If you are an active service member, a veteran, or an eligible surviving spouse, do you know what options are available to you when it comes to buying or repairing a home? Hi, I'm Realtor Reece Stanley. This is Christi Reece.
Hello.
And welcome to Team Tuesday. I'm sure like a lot of you, our team has a lot of friends and family that are active and former military members. So making sure that their eligible folks know about the VA loan options available is really important to all of us. So here's a quick overview of the things to know.
For those eligible, the VA can provide a home loan guarantee benefit and other housing-related programs to help you buy, build, repair, retain, or adapt a home for your own personal occupancy. VA home loans are provided by private lenders, but the VA guarantees a portion of the loan, giving the lender the ability to offer more favorable terms.
That's right. The first main benefit for a VA home loan is that no down payment is required. Some lenders may require down payments for some borrowers, but the VA does not.
And that's a great thing for veterans. I mean, a 100% loan. Not a lot of programs like that out there. The other benefits of VA loan is that they have competitively low interest rates and limited closing costs. Plus, there's no need for private mortgage insurance, or what we call PMI. It's important to note that VA loans are a lifetime benefit and that you can use the guarantee multiple times.
Some other benefits beyond purchase loans are things like interest rate reduction refinance loans, also called streamlined refinance loans, which can help you obtain a lower interest rate by refinancing your existing VA loan. There is the Native American Direct Loan Program, which helps Native American vets finance the purchase, construction, or improvement of homes on federal trust land, or reduce the interest rate on a VA loan.
Yeah, so many things that they offer. There are adapted housing grants, which help vets with a permanent and total service-connected disability purchase, or build an adapted home or modify an existing home. The VA also provides foreclosure avoidance assistance by providing financial counseling to help vets avoid foreclosure during periods of financial hardship.
Eligibility for these programs are based on your length of service or service commitment, duty status, and character of service. As we mentioned, VA purchase loans are obtained through a private lender, but first you need to obtain a Certificate of Eligibility, or COE, through ebenefits.va.gov, and often through your lender. For other types of VA loans, visit the VA's website for more information. We'll include those links in the description of this video. There's a lot to think about and you don't want to miss out on the benefits of having served, so definitely do your research. Give us a call if you have any questions at 970-589-7700, and thank you for watching Team Tuesday. Have a great day and thank you for your service.
Yep, thank you for your service, and we'd love to help you with a VA loan if we can give you any more information.